Hello, what we have here? We have here a solution 8 card. As we know, solution 8 card, it has only 4 outputs, which basically one is used for siren, second one for the internal siren, and the other two options. If we don't have monitoring station, we cannot know in our mobile what we can do to have messages for each zone, for AC fault, or for any trouble that is happening in our house. So we have to fix something so we know what we can do. Okay, here we have one LCD keypad that we use to take output for that. We take signal basically because solution 8 doesn't have output module. Here is a GSM dialer that actually has 5 inputs or output. Each input it can have 4 preset thresholds, which is open, 50 kilo ohms, 7.5 kilo ohms, or sorted. So we take signal from this one after we have these two boards that they have the equipment to translate so we can operate the GSM. So let's make one test to see what we can get. Now the system is disarmed. In case, let's say, I open zone 4, as you see this wire and resistor is the zones now. Let's say I open. You see zone 4 is open. We don't have any message. So let's say we close the zone 4 again. Sorry, because I have only 2 hands and I don't have camera. Zone 4 is closed. We arm the system. Now the system is armed. And let's say we open zone 4. We have alarm. And in a while we're gonna have message. What is this zone 4 is? Got message. I will try to, as you see, I cannot make that. I will try to make zoom with my mobile. MC store door. Let me click on the PC that we have the program. It's running. Here is the program from the GSM dialer. Events, SMS. Here we have the messages, which is assigned to each input. So we know that we have alarm on zone 4, which I know that is MC on store. So I close the zone again. I disarm the system, arm again, so we have cleared the fault. Now we have some 24-hour zone. When we have 24-hour zone, we want to work straight. So I have smoke on zone 3 and zone 6. Let me find which zone is which. This is 1, this is 2, this is 5, this is 6. The blue wire is 6. This must be this one. I hope I put the correct wire. Okay, I'm lucky. We have alarm on zone 6. Zone 6 is alarm. Where is 6? It's store. Okay. have message, make zoom, it's the time, MC store door. So I want to test another zone. I have to make sorted again. Just a minute. Okay, I have to switch off the alarm. Here the relay will clicking now. It's still flashing. Okay, it's finished. Or we can have, let's say, a panic alarm. I'm waiting now from the mobile. Two messages. The last one is panic alarm. What is the previous one? Panic alarm twice. Okay, I have to disarm the system. Now I will get message AC fail, because when terminal 5 is open, smoke detector store. Which zone is this? This is previous message. It's coming again. So this is the board. Each relay is for its zone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zone. I have it for K switch. This is the relay for arming system, stay, fault. Here I have also relays that to cooperate with this one, panic alarm, and AC fault. This is go to AC fault. It's go after transformer, so we know what's happening. It's not so practical, but it's something that you can know what's happened. Basically the circuit is with XOR gates that actually take straight signal from LED, and after this gate driving one IRFZ 44 MOS, which is driving the relay. On the relay we have the resistor, what we want to have, 15 kilo, 5 kilo or short circuit, and we know what's happening. We get message for everything we want to program. That you cannot make with any device that is coming from factory. I hope you like it, and please subscribe. I want to know another ideas if you have. Thank you.